Morning children, today we will start our this book I am an artist. For this first we will write the date on this page number 21, and this topic is the happy family. There is the two page of similar, the happy family, and the one more is this crane. The both are same, but the crane material is in your box material kit, and in a happy family you will paste your matchstick. So now we will start it. First we will need our glue here. And draw the lines from your Fevicol. Just like it. And now I will tell you how you will paste it. So for this you will take your matchstick, and this part will come up. Paste it. And this will come opposite side. So we will cut it. And paste equal here, just like it. Then after you will take the two of the same size and little cut it. I will paste the arms and the legs. So for this I will take the full stick here, just like it. Two sticks I am pasting here. And same in leg also, you will paste the two sticks. See, now I will start the second one. For this again you will take the big one and paste here. Then again you will take the small one and it will come under of it, just like it. Then you will paste the two legs here. So there is no space, so here you will paste the small one, this size. Under of this black point, just like it. Same the two arms of the equal size. Just like it. Again you will take your stick and paste it here. Then you will take your small one again. Take the big one here and join two bit together. Same here. Take the big one again and paste it here. Little I am cutting it. Just like it. I am saying you again and again, you all will do it in presence of your parents. And don't play from the matchbox. Just like it. The last one is same process. Paste it here and take the two smalls equal size. Under of it. For arms, you will take again small one, cut the equal size and paste it here. So children, I have completed, and again I am saying you all will do it in presence of your parents and don't play from the matchbox sticks, and you all will complete your this page number 21, happy family, and this page number 32, crane. Here you will paste your matchstick at back side of your material kit. So when you have pasted, then first you will leave it dry your first page, and another day you will complete your second page. Let them dry for overnight. Thank you children.